Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy CHORDS back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Hailey by Justin Bieber. Okay, so our capo's on fret number 3, and the chords are as follows. So your verse is a little bit complicated. We have a C, I think that's a C major 7, I don't know, but you play C, which is open, 3, 2, open, 1, and then you play 3, so right, and then we go to, this must be a G7, which is 3, 2, open, open, 3. So you're not playing that first string, right? So that's an X. And then we go to D minor, and we're playing 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we go to A minor, where we're plucking 5, 4, 3, 2. And then for G, 6, 4, 3, 2, right? So C to G, and then we have D minor, and then A minor, and that G, that last G. Okay, so that's your verse. Let me just restart the song so that's your intro and verse actually. C to G, D minor, A minor, and then G. So A minor, the lay with me, and then we go to F. So A minor, G, F, and then C to G, A minor to F. So here we're strumming. So that's down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 down. And you can use the same strumming pattern for your verse. It only has to change for that. So lay with me, na na na, which is A minor, G to F, right? So C to G to A minor, and then F. Okay, so we have a bridge, the na na na, then I can't believe you're mine, and that's okay. So that part is E minor, and E minor is open 2 2, open open open. So open 2 2, open open open. All right. Let's play that bridge. What? So we're actually playing E major, open 2 2, 1, open open. Okay, so we have E major to F, okay? No matter what, it's only us, no matter what. E major, F, A minor, and then G. Na 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 na. E major, na na na, F na 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 na, A minor. Hold on. Okay, so the last chord is a B flat. Is this a B flat? Hold on. It's actually a B. Yeah, so that's 2 4 4 4. That's the last chord on that bridge, and then we're already back to so baby. All right, and that is it for the rest of the song. The chords don't change from here, I'm pretty sure, because that'd just be crazy. All right, so that is a Hailey for you guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.